At the eastern end of Java Island stands the tallest mountain that crowns the island, Mount Semeru. Rising 3,676 meters above sea level, it towers as the highest peak in Java. Its summit is called Mahameru, the Great Mountain in Sanskrit, a name rich with cosmological meaning in ancient Hindu tradition, symbolizing the center of the universe. Semeru is not merely a landscape, it is a symbol. It is a test. It is a long journey that unites the physical, mental, and spiritual. Many journeys to Mahameru begin in Jakarta, a sprawling metropolis of more than 10 million people. The city is filled with towering buildings, endless streams of vehicles, and a rhythm of life that never slows down. From Jakarta, travelers can reach Malang by train in about 12 to 15 hours, passing along the northern and central coasts of Java. Another option is a short 1.5-hour flight to Abdul Rahman Saleh Airport. But this journey is not merely geographical. It is a shift in atmosphere, from noise to silence, from routine to uncertainty. From Malang, a 3 to 4 hour drive brings climbers to Ranu Pani, located within Bromo Tengger Semeru National Park. Ranu Pani sits at around 2,100 meters above sea level. Daytime temperatures range from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius, while nights can drop to around 5 degrees Celsius. This small village is home to the Tenggerese people, who preserve their traditions and culture across generations. Here, all climbers must complete online registration and verification, undergo a basic health check, have their equipment inspected, and attend a safety briefing. The number of climbers allowed each day is limited to protect the environment. This mountain is not an amusement park, it is a conservation area. Semeru is not a casual hike. Proper equipment is essential, including 50 to 70-liter backpack, carrier, sleeping bag rated at least 0 degrees Celsius, wind-proof mountain jacket, 4-season or wind-resistant tent, trekking shoes with strong grip, minimum 3 liters of water per person. Water sources become limited after Ranu Kumbolo, high-calorie food supplies, headlamp for the summit attack, mask or buff to protect from volcanic ash. Semeru is an active stratovolcano. Its crater, Jonggring Saloko crater, periodically emits small eruptions every 20 to 30 minutes under normal conditions. Day 1. Ranu Pani to Ranu Kumbolo. The hike begins on a compact dirt trail mixed with sand. Mountain forest vegetation surrounds the path, pine trees, mountain casuarina, and dense shrubs. After about 1 to 2 hours, climbers reach Watu Rejang Post. The trail begins a long incline. It is not extremely steep, but it steadily drains energy. Rhythm becomes key, because climbing is not about who is the fastest, but about who is the most consistent. 2 to 3 hours later, the trail flattens before the landscape suddenly opens, revealing Ranu Kumbolo. This natural lake spans around 15 hectares at an elevation of 2,400 meters. Its calm water reflects the sky and surrounding hills. In the morning, a thin mist floats over the surface. At night, the stars appear extraordinarily bright due to minimal light pollution. Most climbers camp here on the first night. Night temperatures can drop to 3 to 5 degrees Celsius, and during extreme dry seasons, they can approach 0 degrees Celsius. Day 2. Toward Kalimati. After leaving Ranu Kumbolo, climbers face Tanjakan Cinta, the Hill of Love, a long incline that feels psychologically tougher than it is technically difficult. Beyond it stretches the vast savanna of Oro Oro Ombo. During certain seasons, purple Verbena brasiliensis flowers bloom across the landscape, creating a dramatic scene beneath Semeru. Yet beauty carries its own challenges. The sandy trail makes every step heavier. Energy drains quickly. Vegetation changes as climbers enter Chamorro Kondong and Jambagan. Mountain casuarina trees dominate the forest. The air grows thinner. The wind becomes colder. From Jambagan, the summit of Semeru becomes visible. Sometimes thin white smoke rises from its crater. About 4 to 5 hours after leaving Ranu Kumbolo, climbers reach Kalimati at around 2,700 meters. This is the final base camp before the summit push. The atmosphere here feels different, quieter, more serious. Climbers know that before dawn tomorrow lies the true challenge. The summit ascent usually begins between midnight and 1 a.m. Headlamps glow in the darkness as climbers slowly move toward Archipoto, about 1 hour from Kalimati. After passing the last vegetation zone, the terrain changes drastically into steep volcanic sand slopes with inclines of 30 to 45 degrees. 3 steps forward, 1 step sliding back. Heartbeats accelerate, breathing becomes heavy. Cold sand carried by the wind strikes the face. The climb takes about 3 to 4 hours depending on physical condition and weather. But when dawn begins to appear in the eastern horizon, the exhaustion slowly fades. Semeru, 3,676 meters above sea level. At the summit of Semeru, a vast sea of clouds spreads across the horizon. Other mountains in East Java appear small in the distance. Below, Jonggring Seloko crater periodically releases white smoke. This moment cannot be described simply as beautiful. It is a moment of silence, a moment of reflection, a moment when humans realize how small they really are before nature. Time at the summit is limited. Due to fluctuating volcanic activity, climbers are only allowed to remain in safe zones and not for long. Safety always comes first. Average Semeru expedition takes 3 to 4 days. Day 1, Ranu Pani to Ranu Kumbolo. Day 2, Ranu Kumbolo to Kalimati. Day 3, summit, then descend to Ranu Kumbolo. Day 4, return to Ranu Pani, weather buffer. Some experienced climbers complete it faster, but the ideal pace allows proper acclimatization and safety. More than just a mountain. Semeru holds a deep place in Javanese and Hindu mythology. Legend has it, Semeru is believed to be a fragment of Mount Meru from India, moved by the gods to stabilize the island of Java. Geologically, Semeru formed through the subduction of the Indo-Australian plate beneath the Eurasian plate. Its volcanic activity has been recorded since the 19th century and continues to be monitored today. Yet, beyond scientific data and historical records, Semeru holds something deeper. It teaches patience. It teaches planning. It teaches that nature is not meant to be conquered, but respected. Returning down. As climbers return back toward Ranu Pani, the steps feel lighter, yet the heart feels fuller. What they carry home is not just photos or video recordings, but experience. The experience of facing personal limits, the experience of making peace with exhaustion, the experience of watching the sunrise from the highest point of Java. And when they finally return to Jakarta, the noise of the city feels different. Because on the summit of Semeru, one learns the simplest yet deepest truth. We are only a small part of a much larger universe, and nature will always be greater than our ambitions.